Hello and welcome to the GraderFinder-UserGuide video.
After clicking the Register button on the login page, one can find the option to register as a grader. After entering required account information such as the username, email, and password, you are taken to a screen with multiple text boxes. They will be labeled GPA, SID or student ID number, and finally course name and grade. For GPA and SID, please fill them out accordingly. The course name section is a drop-down where you can select the course prerequisites you have taken that are needed to grade papers in the class you would like to apply to. The grade section is per each course, where you click on the drop-down for what grade you have received. If it matches the course's prerequisites, your application will be sent to the teacher, and that is all.
Teachers can register for GraderFinder by clicking on the Register button and selecting the Teacher option. After entering the required information, the teacher is registered with the system and they are then able to create a course. After creating the course, they can input prerequisites a grader needs to have taken in order to grade that course. Prerequisites can be selected from a list of drop-down courses that have been entered into the database by a system admin.
The teacher can change the prerequisite set for the course by clicking on the Prerequisites tab on the course navigation sidebar. Here, the teacher can either delete or create prerequisites.
After creating the course, a teacher can then create assignments that will be shown to graders who match the course's prerequisites. Assignments will be shown to eligible graders once both the course and the assignment have been published, and they will be able to apply to grade the course. These applications can be accepted or rejected by the teacher.
After successfully registering and being added to the GraderFinder database, new and returning graders will be able to apply for assignments they match up with, based on the courses they have previously taken. After logging in, graders will be able to view and apply for assignments on the home page.
By clicking on the Modify Grader Information button on the bottom of the grader homepage, the grader can access a page where they can change their GPA, their school ID, or add or remove prerequisites that they have taken. After going back to the application page, the grader can click on Apply to grade an assignment for a course.
When a grader applies for an assignment to grade, the page that the assignment leads to becomes a page telling the grader that his or her application is under review. Once the application to grade the assignment has been accepted by the instructor, the grader will be able to see the details of the assignment on the home page and a link to grade the assignment. After clicking on the link to grade assignments, the grader will be able to download assignments to grade, as well as submit scores for each assignment corresponding to each student in the class. Graders will also be able to use Canvas's Speed Grader to grade assignments so that they do not have to download assignments when grading. In addition, graders will be able to log out of GraderFinder and log back in to resume grading assignments. Once the grader has finished grading an assignment, the scores can be sent back to GraderFinder for the instructor to see once the grader submits it.
After the graders have applied to grade an assignment, the teacher can see their applications in the Application tab located in the course's navigation bar. Here, the teachers can see a list of assignments pending review, the number of applicants that each assignment has, and an option to see the graded applications for each assignment. By clicking on the appropriate link, teachers are taken to a page which will show them a list of the graders that have applied for an assignment. Here, the teacher can review each application and see information about each grader, such as their GPA and the courses they've taken. Once the teacher has reviewed the applications, he can choose the grader that they would like best for grading the assignment. Graders can be chosen on a section basis, with different graders grading different course sections that the assignment is available for. Teachers are able to select the section for each grader from a drop-down list. After the graders have been selected, they can begin grading assignments without any more input from the professor.
A teacher can upload submissions from Canvas by clicking on the Choose File button and choosing the file that they want to upload. This file should have been downloaded from Canvas using the Download Submissions button on the Assignments page. Once uploaded, the submissions are ready to be graded by graders once the course is open for grading. After an assignment has been graded, the teacher can view grades by going to the Grades tab on their course navigation sidebar. They can export the grades by clicking on the Actions button and clicking Export. In order to add prerequisites to an account, which is what makes them show up in the drop-downs during grader and course creation, an admin user must log in. The admin must click on the Admin button on the sidebar and select the account for which they want to add prerequisites. On the resulting page, click on the Prerequisites button on the sidebar. In the next page, prerequisites can either be added or removed by typing their name in the box or clicking Delete next to their name.